everyone, it's Ashley with Posh Crochet Patterns. Today I am going to teach you all how to make this seashell bracelet and necklace. To make this, we will be using crochet thread and a 1.50, can't get it to focus in. It's a 1.50 crochet hook. So the first step is to grab your seashell. And it doesn't matter what size seashell you use. You will take the end of your yarn strand, just pinch it, kind of keep it at an angle. So instead of having it straight down, just kind of keep it tucked over to the side here. We're going to take it just like this. I'm going to wrap it right there. I'm going to come up. I'm going to wrap it like this and back up. I'm going to show you again. So you take your yarn end from behind, just keep this off to the side here. Take it, going to wrap it around this way. And we're going to wrap it around this way. So we have this off to the side here. So we're going to take it and it's going to wrap over those two strands. I'm going to slide it. Oops. Want it to go under those. Just like that. I'm going to do it one more time. It's going to keep it real tight. There we go. Now we are going to tie these two together. We can do one of two things. We can go ahead and clip both of these yarn ends really short and just chain out the size of our necklace and our bracelet and then just put it through here, or we can go ahead and create a chain by inserting our hook and grabbing and pulling it up a little bit. And going ahead and making our chains. So for your necklace, I would probably chain 160. Once you make your chain, I would go ahead and measure it to make sure. But this is all you have to do. It's all you have to do is make your necklace just like this, and your bracelet. I can just let that go and just continue making my chains. I think mine I chained 170. I think that's how long I chained mine. But just in case, I would measure it out. I would take a tape measure, wrap it around your neck, chain out probably close to 150. Measure that, make sure that that will fit you, and then the same for your bracelet. Your bracelet, you can go ahead and just wrap it around and just do it like that. So go ahead, chain out 150. See if that will fit around your head and your neck. And then I will meet you back and I will show you what to do next. I wanted to show you. So the necklace I made for me, and the reason why it depends on how many chains you make is because if, say you need 150 chains, if you chain it very tightly, then it's not going to fit. If you chain it loosely, then if you make it too loose, then it might be bigger. So what I did is the necklace that fit me perfect, I measured, and with it folded in half, just like this, is 10 inches long. So that means I made mine 20 inches long. And the diameter of my head is 21 inches long. So that fits very well. So when you chain yours out, that is exactly what I would do. I would lay it out, measure it. So if your head's 21 inches, then I would make it about 19, 20 inches long. I finished chaining out my chains. I measured my length. My length is actually 22 inches long for this necklace, and that's just by choice. I decided I wanted to make this one a little longer than the first one. So what we are going to do is we are going to take that chain and we are just going to follow it straight down. Want to try to get it as straight as possible. I'm going to insert into that very first chain. Definitely having trouble with this focusing right. See if that's a little bit better. I think it's the lighting. So I'm going to try to slip stitch. Try to slip stitch through here. There we go. And just pull that tight. And this yarn in here, we're going to use to tie to this yarn in. Yeah, I believe the lighting is affecting my camera. I'm sorry. And you can always add beads to this or pearls, you know, whatever you like. So that yarn end that you just cut, just grab it and pull it through that loop on your hook. And then you're just going to pull that and tighten that down. And there's another way to do this that I'm going to show you. Okay, so these two yarn ends, we're going to tie these together. Just going to tie it, make a knot. Tie it once and twice. Now we cut our yarn ends. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's so simple. So cute and simple. Just follow those steps and you'll do just fine. So to make the bracelet, you can do it just like this or you can do it a different way. So here I already have one already made. This is what the back looks like. There we go. That's what the back looks like. Already snipped those yarn ends. So what we can do is we can make a slip knot. And just make a regular chain. And you can chain as loosely or as tightly as you want. And you definitely want this to be able to fit over your wrist, like over your hand. Like if your hand was like this, you want it to be able to fit over your hand. Okay, so I made a length of chains. I'm just going to slip that through there. I'm just going to pinch that, and then I'm going to see if I can squeeze my hand through there. Okay, I think that's good. It stretches well. So that's the length I'm going to use. We're going to clip it. We're going to take that seashell. Let's flip it over. We're going to insert that chain. Oh, just pull that off. Okay. Don't worry, I got another one. Whoops. All right, let's try this again. All right, let's hold it there this time. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry about that. I didn't think that was going to happen. All right, so we're just going to insert into that chain there. I'm going to slip stitch through that. Pull that through. And instead of pulling it all the way through, then I'm just going to grab it like that. See, so I kind of almost pulled it all the way through. Then I'm going to do like this. That way it'll just bind that off. And you just take those two ends, tie those, and there you go. Now we got a bracelet, and it's made just a little bit differently. Just a little bit of a different process of the necklace and bracelet. So yeah, you got two different ways that you can make this. And then we just clip them. Oh, I think I like that way better. I think I like that way better. Look at that. So I hope you all like this video. I hope you all get to make this and wear this for this summer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every subscriber helps. I'll see you all again soon for another great pattern. Bye-bye.